Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we will make a very easy mayonnaise recipe. The ingredients: 2 eggs, sunflower oil 200 milliliters, water 200 milliliters, corn flour 2 dessert spoons, salt half teaspoon, the juice of a lemon 1 teaspoon, white vinegar 2 dessert spoons. The preparation: first, we mix the corn flour with water and then turn the heat on. Stir continuously until it becomes thick and let it cool down. Now we mix the ingredients using the mixer. We start with eggs and then sunflower oil, we add the white vinegar, and then the salt, the juice of a lemon, at the end we add the corn flour and we mix it for about 2 minutes.